Hi, welcome back to Race2Buy tutorial. So today we will be talking about the vendor's orders and also the shipment of the tracking status. So basically, for the store manager, you just click on orders and you will be able to see the following order details. So first of all, you have marked as complete on your right hand side over here, view details, and you have the commission invoice, the store invoice, the packing slip, the marked ship status, and also the refund request. So all these are actually actions that a seller can perform. And also for this earning status over here, unpaid means the vendor hasn't submit the request for withdrawal. Once Race2Buy pays, it will turn this status to paid status. There are several important stuff to take note on. This is to make sure the address you fill in under your store is the correct address, because once you mark ship over here, when you click it, can you see previously it was green over here, the dot meaning it's processing status, and right now it becomes a ship status. So once you click this ship status, it will become blue color, meaning that if any of the customer chooses J&T or pigeon delivery, the delivery guy will collect the parcel the next day. So you must ensure that once you click this, you have already packed the parcel which is ready to be shipped, or else the delivery guy will come up to your place and you don't have the parcel ready for shipment. So do remember to pack your parcel first before you click this ship status. And also you can actually click on the order number over here. It will appear for all the details such as this. And it's actually ship order status because you click on the blue color minivan. You can actually look at the order items over here, the details, and your earning fee. The shipment tracking will be on this side. And finally, when you're ready, just click on the print AWB. And finally, print this airway bill and stick it to your parcel, and you're good to go. Once the customer actually receives your item, kindly click Get Marked as Complete. So once you click on Mark as Complete, you can actually see this order becomes completed, and therefore you will see it in your payment tab, and you can request for further withdrawal. You will see it in the next tutorial. Thank you.